Okay, here we go with the tank Uber. So, see if it pushes all these. And I have my drivers. Ready to go, right? There you go. Alright, here we go. Oh yeah. Not a problem. Take them on a ride, bring them back. Oh, that's pretty cool.
Probably with the added weight, it helps it.
It gives it a little bit. It's got some runners in the bottom. So we're coming up to the beachhead, right? I'm gonna bring you in for a fast deploy. Go ahead, take it out. There you go. Second. Oh, that is awesome. And I come back to go get some more. Group it. Together. Get together. Come on. Where are you going? Get together, guys. There you go. Run them. Oh yeah, they're drift tanks too. It's advertised. So get in the open area.
Be careful right there. You're gonna get stuck. See, I was sliding back.
Yeah, I'll join you.
I have a feeling yours is going to feel better than ours.
Of course it is. I got the one I wanted to drive. Oh yeah, that was a good one. A drift party.
Come on, let's do some spins. There you go. Oh! Sorry about that. I ain't got reverse nor brakes.
Do we have reverse? Yes, we do.
All right, you're back in the picture now. Get out there and drift. Woo!
It takes like, wow, this is
Might do some donuts.
Everybody donuts. Donuts.
Donuts on donuts. Oh. Need a taxi.
All right, everybody back to home base. Whoa, don't let me cut your head off. All right, everybody back to home base. We'll load you back up. Come on, guys.
If my tank will cooperate with me.
Remember, it's coming at you.
Drive slow.
Yeah, you gotta drive slow in it, otherwise you don't get any traction.
I hit a foothold and it spins me.
You're making it. Come on, guys. You can do it. Very good. All right. See if you can climb on board. You might get some traction on that rubber on the side. Hit it on an angle. Oh yeah, almost. Look at you. Come on. Hang on. Let me give me a little help. There you go. Oh, all right. We'll end it on that note. That was fun.